you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, like and share. So anyway, today it's Friday and we came here to see this Katara. There is a program in this Katara. So anyway, to that we came here. So anyway, it's going to be a very fun video. So anyway, let's get to the video. So when we are talking about the Katara Hills, it is located at Katara Cultural Village, and the hills are divided into two parts. One is southern and northern hills. And when we are going in top of that, we can see there is a lot of gyms, gym jogging tracks, and so many things are there. That is so nice, and we can enjoy 360-degree view of the Katara waterfront and all. It's going to be so awesome. We didn't go in the upside, and here you can see so many countries flags. Just see, it's made of bits of paper. The paper is teared into squares, and they had made it so beautiful, so nice. And you can see this gift box building, and inside there is full of toys of kids. That's a toy store for the kids and all. It's so nice. You can see, yep. And even the park timing is 5 o'clock until the midnight. So, and the parking space and all is there, and we had parked in the basement. And you can see there is a lot of distinct buildings. So many nice, beautiful, distinct buildings are there. When we were going to the Katara, then we saw this tree, so we just for fun we just climbed and went up just to take some photos and all. And now we just came to see the beach side. We just to the show we just came. There's a lot of, you can see ships and all. That's so beautiful, and so many buildings we can see from here. And here you can see a lot of people selling so many things like this. Qatar's so many cultural things, this boats and shells and all. And I remember when a few years ago, when I was in 5, something like that. So we went to they took us to a trip. Okay, it was just a study trip, and we came. It was so nice. We just explored a lot. I think more were there than this year. And here we can get some. This is falcons. Okay, this is baby falcon, and we can just take them and take the photos and all. And here you can see the 7 great rulers of Qatar from the past years. And here you can see a march including small kids, big persons, everyone. And this is a march of Shafala, and that is a school, literally. And there some kids who are a little bit disabled. So all those students are there, and their march are going on right now. Like there is a big building, something like that. It's a hotel, and like over here we can see the full view of this, Katara and all. So it's like so many boats are there, kayaks are there. It's so beautiful, and it is. Wow, that's it. Okay, like there is resorts also in Katara, and just come here and have fun in this resort and all, because there is swimming pool and all. It's so nice. So anyway, just visit Katara. It's a very, very nice place. Okay, so anyway, it's like a very nice thing. Okay, it's like we can see the whole like half of the Qatar. I can say like that, not like that. Okay, can you see that? And if you're wondering what this is actually a female, this praying room. Actually, it's like builded in an old way, and now we are going back. We are going to see the fireworks and all, because it is Qatar National Day. So basically, there will be so many fireworks and all. So let's see.
مجنون نبودم مجنونم کردی از شهر خودم بیرونم کردی
like today's this video, please subscribe, like and share. So anyway, it's like a very nice view that you can see. So anyway, I'm always focused on it because it's so beautiful. So anyway, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. So I said before it. So anyway, bye bye, and we'll see you with another video.
مجنون